Welcome to this lecture on the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development.
And also to talk about the Sustainable Development Goals, then move into some specifics about how the goals and human rights framework are mutually reinforcing and fit together. And
of relevant and effective learning outcomes. If there are relevant and effective learning outcomes, we can say it is quality education.
It's historic. I think it's an achievement of historic proportions.
This is coming on the same day that a lawsuit by 15 young Canadians has been filed. They are suing the federal government for its part in contributing to the climate crisis.
One of the most basic understanding that students must have is that women's rights are human rights.
TV, information that we pass along without always having the time, the tool, or even the will to verify it.
The thing is certain is that we are very much connected.
But really peace is, or a culture of peace is very dimensional and holistic. Many cultures and civilizations in the world, there are values and principles within them at the core, which are really for
work. Again, the need to go back home, in order to go back home, we have the same problem.
Now you want to contribute more to that by making them think of something that is hopeless. Therefore, what you're saying is become hopeful.
COVID-19 has so much of gender implications and its impact.
Now, feminism is about whether you are born as men or women, you have the equal rights and opportunities as a human being.
There's
so that's
a high
the overall
rate of child marriages and early marriages, despite their agreements towards the system.
Pivot and click again. Hold your cap on your left hand and hold your phone to your right hand.
Thank you, and I do agree with Mr. Sompet Chan. The tone at the moment, because we are just only 2 participants are from Laos.
But also, we know that young people are really concerned about generally mostly one thing, themselves.